It was another crazy day in the stock markets, and here's what happened. So we started off the day strong with strong ADP employment change, which just means that there's more people employed than there were last week, followed by existing home sales, which also exceeded the expected value. The markets ended up rallying off of this data, bounced off of the pre-market low here, and ran all the way up to the top. But now you're probably wondering what caused this huge sell-off that we saw nearing the end of the day. Now that sell-off occurred because the Secretary of Energy came out saying that the US Navy had successfully escorted a tanker across the Strait of Hormuz. However, minutes later, the White House came out and said that those claims were false. Now, what added to the sell-off is Iran was speculated to be deploying mines inside of the Strait of Hormuz as well. Following that, Trump went on Truth Social to post this. Now, all this information contributed to the markets flipping from green to red, except for the Nasdaq, which is barely a point green. On the bright side, Oracle beat earnings on both revenue and EPS and ended up rocketing about 8% in the after hours. And here are those numbers right here. Now, if you stayed to the end, I really appreciate you, and here's a look at tomorrow's schedule. So starting off bright and early, at 7:30 a.m. Eastern time, we have the CPI report coming out, as well as crude inventories at 9:30 a.m., followed by a 10-year bond auction at 12. And if you look down here at the bottom, we have both pre-market and aftermarket earnings. The hottest name overall on the day being Adobe, which I know many people are going to be watching. Now, if you stayed all the way to the very end, really appreciate you, and I will be back tomorrow with another update video.